Alright, so first of all, in the Photoshop, we create a new scene, and then what I'm doing here is I'm choosing a arrow icon, and in that sign I'm just gonna modify it, but you can also create with the pen tool itself. It totally depends on you. So for example, as you can see, I'm just creating a basic shape of a leaf by using some points and modifying them. And after I have the structure of the first leaf, I just give it a feather, make the selection, and I'm just gonna create more copies of it. So this will make it look like it's a bunch of leaves. So you don't have to just create one leaf, and you can create the whole bunch itself and then give it a color. I'm giving it gradient, and after you're done with this, all you need to do is save it as a PNG. So now we are done with the Photoshop part, and let's move to Maya. Okay, so we created a basic square shape texture. So we're gonna just create a square shaped plane and give it some edge loops so that it will be able to bend. And after that, let's put our file texture that we saved on this plane. So go to the location where you saved the texture and load it on the plane. So because it was PNG, you have your transparency. Now all we need to do is set the pivot on the ground, and after you're done with it, just rotate the plane upwards. Next, all we need is to create a bunch out of it. So just create a basic shape. The main motive here is to make it look like a bunch, that it's visible from all the angles. So after you create 3 of them, group them and then duplicate them. So now I'm just modifying some settings here to better suit the result I want. And after that, combine them. So with this, let's put the pivot back to the ground. And we're done with the Maya part. Now we just export this and take it to the Unreal Engine. So in the Unreal Engine, let's create a folder for this and let's import our FBX file. So you can leave the settings as they are, and all we need is to import our game object.